I hope this will become your favorite homemade protein ball recipe. It's gluten-free, made with honey and oats, no bake. Now, for it to truly be raw, you would have to roll your own oats and make your own nut butter.
Welcome to Homemade Cooking in Texas. I'm Carolyn Gibson from Dogwood Gardens, where homemade cooking is surprisingly easy, healthier for you and your family, saves money, and tastes great. Come join me today as I share my favorite recipes, and I hope they will become your favorite recipes. And don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel. Honey oat protein energy bars begin with whatever your favorite nut butter is. I'm using peanut butter today. I could have used almond butter, walnut butter, whatever nut butter you like. And then of course I'm going to use some all natural raw honey. Okay, first I'm going to mix the honey and the nut butter together. I'm going to get these all mixed in really well. It takes a little bit of muscle power. So you can see I've got this pretty well mixed up pretty good. Now I'm going to add my spices. Now I've got cinnamon here and some powdered hawthorn berries. Now you can certainly use whatever spices you need. The hawthorn berries are really heart healthy for you. The cinnamon is good for you. You could use some pumpkin pie spices, or whatever floats your boat. Now I'm going to add some whey protein powder. Now you can use whatever protein powder you like. If you prefer a plant-based protein, you could certainly, there are plenty of them out there that you can use. I'm ready to add, this is 3 tablespoons of coconut. This is sweetened coconut. You could certainly use unsweetened coconut, whatever you want to use. Now I know a lot of recipes will tell you just dump everything all together, but it's going to be so hard to really combine it well when you do this. This works out much better if you'll add one ingredient at a time. Now I'm ready to add some chopped walnuts. Now you could use pecans, whatever nut you prefer. Now I'm ready to add my rolled oats. Now I like to roll my own oats from Fresh Oat Grows, but you can go to the store to buy any package of rolled oats or quick cooking oats or whatever you might even have in your pantry. Now once you get this far along in the recipe, you're probably going to have to get some gloves and really start working it in with your hands. It's taking a little effort to get all this mixed in together, but I've got it mixed in pretty good. And now I'm going to add some dried cranberries. Now you could use dried apricots, dried raisins, whatever dried fruit you prefer. Now I think apricots would really taste a little better, but I really don't like trying to cut those dried apricots up. Okay, now you're ready to roll these into balls, or you can put them in a pan, spread them out, and just cut them. You just want to kind of get little balls, and you can just kind of keep them all about the same size, and roll them up. And you really, all those gloves you've been buying for the COVID pandemic, this one is really going to come in handy. Okay, and here we have our honey oat protein energy balls. Your family's going to love them. You can use them as a healthy snack. You can eat them for breakfast, and they taste great.
Okay, store these in the refrigerator. They'll keep about a week, and your heart will absolutely love them. Thank you so much for joining me today at Homemade Cooking in Texas. These are my favorite recipes, and I hope they will become yours. Now, if you enjoy these recipes, please like and subscribe so you can see more of these type recipes. We have been making a full-time living here on our organic farm since 1991. We need your support to continue our small family farm by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much.